The Constitution of India. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. Saving of certain laws. Article 31A. Saving of laws providing for acquisition of estates, etc. Notwithstanding anything contained in Article 13, no law providing for the acquisition by the state, of any estate or of any rights therein, or the extinguishment or modification of any such rights, or the taking over of the management of any property by the state, for a limited period, either in the public interest, or in order to secure the proper management of the property, or the amalgamation of two or more corporations, either in the public interest, or in order to secure the proper management of any of the corporations, or the extinguishment or modification of any rights of managing agents, secretaries and treasurers, managing directors, or managers of corporations, or of any voting rights of shareholders thereof, or the extinguishment or modification of any rights accruing by virtue of any agreement, lease or license for the purpose of searching for, or winning, any mineral or mineral oil, or the premature termination or cancellation of any such agreement, lease or license, shall be deemed to be void on the ground that it is inconsistent with, or takes away or abridges, any of the rights conferred by Article 14 or Article 19. Provided that, where such law is a law, made by the legislature of a state, the provisions of this article shall not apply thereto, unless such law, having been reserved for the consideration of the President, has received his assent. Provided further, that, where any law makes any provision for the acquisition by the state of any estate and where any land comprised therein is held by a person under his personal cultivation, it shall not be lawful for the state to acquire any portion of such land, as is within the ceiling limit applicable to him under any law for the time being in force, or any building or structure standing thereon or tenant thereto, unless the law relating to the acquisition of such land, building or structure, provides for payment of compensation, at a rate which shall not be less than the market value thereof. In this article, the expression estate shall, in relation to any local area, have the same meaning as that expression, or its local equivalent has in the existing law, relating to land tenures in force, in that area, and shall also include any jagir, inam, or muafi, or other similar grant. And, in the states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, any janmam right. Any land held under ryotwari settlement. Any land held, or let for purposes of agriculture, or for purposes ancillary thereto, including waste land, forest land, land for pasture, or sites of buildings, and other structures occupied by cultivators of land, agricultural laborers, and village artisans. The expression, rights, in relation to an estate, shall include any rights vesting in a proprietor, sub-proprietor, under-proprietor, tenure-holder, rayat, under-rayat, or other intermediary and any rights, or privileges in respect of land revenue.